How does Chromecast allow browsing the internet?
Hello and welcome. Today, we're going to discuss an interesting topic. How does Chromecast allow browsing the internet? You might be wondering if Chromecast, a device primarily known for streaming content, could be used to surf the web. We'll explore that in this video.
What is Chromecast?
First, let's start by defining Chromecast. Chromecast is a line of digital media players developed by Google. These devices are designed to play audio and video content on a high-definition television or home audio system by directly streaming it via Wi-Fi from the internet or a local network. However, Chromecast does not inherently have browsing capabilities like a computer or a smartphone.
Can Chromecast surf the web?
To the point, can Chromecast be used to browse the internet? Well, not in the traditional sense. Chromecast lacks a built-in interface that allows users to surf the internet directly. But it does allow casting or mirroring your device screen, including any web browsers you have open.
How to use Chromecast for web browsing?
Even without an inherent browsing interface, you can use Chromecast to display your web browser on your TV. This is done through screen mirroring or casting your browser from another device, such as a smartphone, tablet, or computer. Here's a quick step-by-step guide on how to do this. 1. Open Google Chrome on your device. 2. Click the three-dot menu in the upper right corner of the browser. 3. Select Cast from the drop-down menu. 4. Choose your Chromecast device from the list that appears. 5. Select Cast tab to cast your current tab, or Cast Desktop to share your entire screen. Through these steps, you can effectively use your Chromecast to browse the web on your TV. To wrap up, while Chromecast may not offer native web browsing capabilities, it does provide a way to cast or mirror your device's browser onto your TV. This makes it possible to use Chromecast for browsing the internet, albeit in a slightly different manner than traditional browsing. Thanks for joining us on this exploration of Chromecast's internet capabilities. We hope you found it enlightening.